10 common English idioms you need to know. Number 1, break the ice. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation in a social setting. To start a conversation in a social setting. Example, he told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. He told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. Number 2, piece of cake. Piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy. Something very easy. Example, the test was a piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. Number 3, hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to be exactly right about something. To be exactly right about something. Example, you hit the nail on the head with your answer. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. Number 4, under the weather. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick or unwell. Feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Number 5, spill the beans. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret. To reveal a secret. Example, who spilled the beans about the surprise party? Who spilled the beans about the surprise party?